Amanda here, and today I wanted to kick off the April haul video for you guys. It's not going to be a ton this month, but there are a few things I wanted to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. The first, I have the box for over here. I don't have the actual item, but I'm going to link to the item down below so you can see it. It's actually dirty downstairs right now, but a while back, Austin had accidentally broke the French press that I had, and that one, I forget what company it was from, but they had sent it to me for free. And honestly, if you ever end up going through my old videos and you see me recommend that French press, it's like black, your standard size one, that was a great one. But this time around, I ordered this one from Beacon. It is a 12-ounce French press, so it's pretty tiny. It's basically for a single serve. I have not been having coffee every day recently. I have been mixing in teas a lot. I'll have moringa tea because that's what we happen to have a lot of right now, or an herbal tea, or just something different depending on whatever mood I'm in. So I'm only having coffee maybe 3 times a week. So because of that, I don't like making a whole pot and it just sitting there, and goodness knows when I'm going to get to it. So I have been using this, and it has been fantastic. I already have my own grinder. It's just a cheap one. I think Austin got it from like Target or something a million years ago. So I don't have really a grinder recommendation, but this is really great. And we buy whole beans anyway, just because even when I was having coffee every day, I'm the only one in the house that has it. So it's not like we need it pre-ground and losing its freshness. So, yep, this is the one I got, and I will link it down below. It's from Amazon, and I'm really, really enjoying that. The next item I didn't actually purchase. I got this for free through a wellness program that my work is offering, and it is the Fitbit scale. I think it's called the Aria or something like that. It doesn't say on here, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And obviously, if you don't need a new scale, there's really no point in this. You can, if you want to track your weight, you can just get on your regular scale, whatever you have, and just type it into whatever app you use. But for this specific program, it has to be digitally tracked, so they know you're not like making it up. I'm so not into the weight loss program things that Works usually offer, but I get points for this and it'll turn into cash. So I'm doing it. Yeah, so this has been really cool. It uploads straight to my phone. You have to actually save it, so like if my husband uses it and it goes to my phone, I can click cancel so I don't have his weight showing up in my app. But I'm really liking it. I think it's a pretty nice product. I would not have personally bought this for myself, but since I was able to get it for free, it's pretty cool. And the last item I have to share in this part 1 of the video, and you're gonna see my little secret that I'm wearing leggings and not pants, is this dress from Aritzia, and it is, I forget what the dress was called. I don't know. I'm gonna link to it down below. But I had seen this style of dress, maybe the Tempest dress. I think that's what it's called. I'd seen this style of dress on Poshmark, and then I went searching for one of my size and couldn't find it. So I went to their website, and it seems like this is a style of dress that they must put out in lots of designs and colors rather frequently. And I thought it looked really comfortable and really cute, so I went ahead and ordered one so I could kind of get an idea. So here's the one I ordered. I will say this color scheme on me with my yellow undertones is borderline kind of making me look jaundiced, but it's pink enough that it's like pulling it back a little bit. But I really like the design. The sleeves are sheer, so it'll be nice for spring and summer. This is all stretchy fabric, and there is a zipper on the side, but honestly I feel like that's wholly unnecessary, and I don't know why that's part of the design feature. You definitely don't need the zipper on the side with the top being stretchy. So I'm gonna hang this back up and talk to you for a sec. So I purchased that in a large per their size guide on their website, and I think in the future I'm gonna just purchase mediums because I feel like that could be a little more fitted, but it's not bad enough to the point where I'm like, I need to send this back. I need the medium now. I'm very borderline. So for me personally, if I'm borderline on something that has stretchy material, I do tend to prefer going down a size. So I'd go with the medium. If you are a size 10, but you tend to be smaller on top, I would say go with the medium instead of the large, unless you're very busty. So that's just my call on that. But I do really like that style of dress, so I'm going to keep an eye out on Poshmark for more of that style. I think, like I said, I think it's called the Tempest dress. I'm going to keep an eye out on Poshmark for that, because that was not a cheap dress. Like, it was pretty pricey. I'm going to link it below if you're curious. That will have the price down there. But if I can find it secondhand, that'd be perfect. So that is the end of this first part of the haul video. The second part of the haul video will be what I got in the Sephora sale, the semi-annual, is that what it's called? I don't know, the Sephora sale, the spring sale. And that should be here hopefully in the next week or so, and then I can get this video edited and put up for you. So I will talk to you all in the second clip. Hey y'all, hey, we're back with the next part of my haul video, and I thought this would be the last part, but I did order one other, well, technically two, but it's one order of stuff, so that will be the last clip that I film when it gets here. But until then, my Sephora sale haul got here, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got, because it's some fun stuff. So I got two items from The Ordinary. I don't think The Ordinary is actually included in the sale. These are just two items that I had been eyeballing and wanted to pick up, and I figured I was already making an order. Might as well get them. So it is the Buffet plus Copper Peptides 1% and the Granactive Retinol Emulsion. These are the two products. So I'm excited to give them a try. I've heard really interesting things about the copper peptides, so I'm very excited to try that out. The next item is from Ilia. It is their Super Serum Skin Tint, which I've seen pictures of people wearing it, and it looks like it's nice and moisturizing. It's super sheer, which is what I'm looking for. And it is SPF 40 sunscreen, so if I can double up the sun coverage over my sunscreen that I put on anyway, love that. So here's what that looks like. And then I got the color Formosa ST4. So let's open it up and see if that color even works for me. I haven't opened any of this up yet. I'm just like shredding up my fingernails. I cannot get this open. Okay, this is when we bust out the scissors. Okay, here we go. There we go. So here is the packaging for that. I like how basic it is. Here's the color. So as you can see, it might be just a smidge tan for me, but we are going into summer, so I think I could probably make that work. I think I could pull that off, especially if you finish rubbing it all the way out. I think with it blended all the way out, there isn't a significant color difference. So being that I did that online, I don't think I did too bad. Pretty sweet. I guess if I ever end up going back to a Sephora in person, which I'm sure I will eventually, I can maybe see if there's a slightly better color match than that, but I would say that's pretty darn good. Even on my hand, you can barely tell. So excited about that. Then we have from First Aid Beauty the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer, which I have had in the past, and it's probably one of my favorite moisturizers, so I decided to pick it up again since I haven't had it in a while. I've just kind of been working my way through other moisturizers that I am just so on, but this is one I actually really love. This was one of my freebies. It is the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. So I'll stash that away in my mascara stash for when I need to open a new one. Also another freebie from First Aid Beauty. It is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Yeah, Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. And I'm really glad they actually send me the freebies, or maybe these were point perks that I requested. And actually Austin has been getting more into skincare recently and has been looking for one to keep in, one of these little mini tip bottles of face wash to keep in his travel bag, because now that he's fully vaccinated, he is hitting the road again once in a while to meet with clients and stuff. So maybe I'll give him this one. Let's see. We have 2 hair products, both from the Brogio line, and these go hand in hand with the Curl Charisma line that I already purchased from. It is the rice amino and avocado leave-in defining curl cream, so like the leave-in conditioner, and then the rice amino and quinoa frizz control gel. So this is probably more of the curl shaper. So I figured I'd just get these 2 products and see how they work as a full line. I also picked up this Sephora brand facial razor. So it's got this nice little container and it's got 3 refills. I did read in the reviews that the biggest upset with this product is that once you get through these refills, they don't sell more refills, which is actually really stupid. But I go through this kind of product very slowly. I don't use them nearly frequently enough. I forget I have them, and honestly I'm just using it to shape up my unibrow a little. I don't do the whole face shaping thing, so I probably won't need refills on this anytime soon. And who knows, maybe by the time I do need refills, they'll have listened to the people and put refills out. So I got that, just something I've been thinking about getting for a while now. And then I also got, yeah, that's it, let me move this box. I also got the Jouer, is that how you say this? Essential High Coverage Concealer Pen. I got it in 2 colors. I got it in lace and wheat because it's really hard to tell online what color you're gonna need. So I don't know if you'll even be able to read that since the packaging is a lovely metallic. But let's go ahead and swatch these. So the containers are really pretty metallic too. And this is how it looks. It's a like triangle tip. And it's a pump up, I think. So I'm probably gonna have to pump it. There we go, it started moving. So there is lace. So not a terrible match. And then this one is the color Wheat. They really do have gorgeous packaging. Let's get that pumped a couple times. Or quite a few times. Oh, there we go. I can feel it starting to move. Or maybe not. Maybe this one's faulty. Well, either way, let's go ahead and swatch the color. So that is Wheat, and I think Wheat is definitely gonna be too dark for me. Definitely. Let me blend them out a little. Yeah, lace looks like it blends in pretty well. Wheat looks like it's a bit too dark. So I may have to return Wheat because it is a pinch too dark. That's kind of the risk you take buying things online. That's kind of why I got 2 colors, because it's hard to tell which one I was going to need. Because in some things, in some brands, I go for the one that's super light looking online because I figure I'm really fair. And then I end up like looking like I'm wearing ghost makeup. But in some brands, I go for the one that is light looking online, and I get it and put it on me and it's tan. So it's hard to buy online, but I definitely think this one is the better fit for sure once I blended it out a little. So I'm really pleased. Super fun stuff. And yeah, like I said, I have 2 more items coming this month. Hopefully they should arrive this month that I want to share with you guys, and otherwise that's it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey y'all, here's the last clip of the haul video with the one thing I told you I was waiting to share with you guys. I did order a couple things from Trixie, stuff I absolutely do not need. Here's the cute little new collection flyer for Bottle Blonde. Very cute. The eyeshadow palette was gorgeous, but I hardly ever wear eyeshadow, so I didn't get that. But I did generally enjoy the aesthetics of this whole collection. So I did get 2 of the glosses. And if you're familiar with Trixie Cosmetic glosses, you know that they are thick. They're really a lot more like a lacquer or a liquid lipstick, but not the kind that dry down. Like, these actually stay pretty moist. So sorry for using that word. I got the colors. Okay, it doesn't say on the box. Open it up. I got the colors Press On and High Ponytail, which are both part of the collection release. They're both really pretty pinks. So let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys. This is Press On and this is Mauve. It's really pretty. I have to have the overhead light on today, so the lighting's probably a little weird, but it is raining and crazy dark today, so that is the color. If it would focus. There we go. It looks way darker on camera, but what are you gonna do with the weird lighting? And then High Ponytail is a bit pinker and has shimmer. This is like, oh, the most gorgeous color. I love it. Yeah, and it's looking darker on camera, but so pretty. And those are the last 2 items I wanted to share with you guys that I had purchased. I highly doubt I'm going to be buying anything in May, so there probably won't be a May specific haul video, but there will be a slightly different haul video probably in June. So just a heads up on that. And I do have one thing coming in the month of May, in probably like a week or so, also related to that scale I got earlier in the April, I think. So that same work wellness program is sending me a new Fitbit, because it's just part of the program. You do so many classes, you get the scale, you do so many, you get the Fitbit. So that will be coming. It's I think I got the Lunar White band, and it is the, I forget, Inspire, the Inspire brand or line. I think that's what it's called, something like that, but it's the 2nd generation of that. It's whatever the 2nd generation of this is, because it's the 1st generation of whatever this one is. So that'll be coming in a week or so, but aside from that, don't really expect a haul video in May. I probably am not going to be buying much of anything, so that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I'll talk to you all later.